Okay.
Okay, so the app that you're going to download off of the App Store is called Hike, H-I-K, excuse me, Connect, okay?
Space Connect.
Yep, when you get the
Space.
app downloaded,
Space.
it's going to ask you to select your country/region, so you'll select the drop-down menu, and you're going to scroll all the way down to USA, select the USA, and then hit the check mark, okay? Once you get that downloaded, this is the screen you're going to see where it's going to say login register. So you're going to create an account first by clicking that login register, and then at the bottom left below password where it says register, you're going to click on that. Yep, right there. And then hit agree. And then you're already default to the USA because you selected it once already. So now you can hit the check mark. And then now we're going to, at the very bottom, you're going to use your phone number, not an email, because it's easier to manage. So do register by phone number. And then it's going to put the one in there for you. So now right below that.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, hit the X button top left. Go right below, which is mobile phone number, and go ahead and put in your area code and cell phone number. Okay? And
Next.
now go ahead and pull your phone off of the camera here, and you're going to enter a password that you want. Oops, done. For the account. Okay, so go ahead and pull your phone off the recording there. And then go ahead and enter a password. This is just for your account, Bob.
I don't see it going on.
It is.
Whether it's okay.
See it? Yeah, I know it's kind of hard to see. It covers it.
What was that?
It goes after like 10 minutes of no activity. It goes,
Refresh.
it's just this full screen, so I got rid of the menus and stuff like that. Kind of a nice little feature. It kind of gives you that full screen effect.
Does it ask me to repeat it?
No, so hit done there.
Because I didn't see it, so I
Go
wanted
hit
to
done,
make
I'll show you this. So then you need to hit the little icon here,
sure.
and then that's what it shows.
Okay.
Is that
That's
correct?
right. Yes, it is.
Okay, so go ahead and hit get security code at the bottom. And it's going to text you a security code. This is a one-time verification. Go and enter that code in there.
So you can go back on camera now, maybe.
Yeah, let's go back on camera. That down a little bit. There you go.
And then finish. Okay, perfect. So, at this point, let's stop the recording because we're going to have to add it to his phone differently than what everyone else is going to see because he's going to be the main user.
Okay.
So, stand by, Bob.